In this video, we listed the 5 best weight plate trees that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XMark Commercial Plate Tree. The XMark Olympic Plate Vertical Storage Tree is a compact and efficient solution for organizing weight plates, designed with sturdy alloy steel construction to support a capacity of 750 pounds. Measuring 29-inch dx 23.75 wx 57h, this storage tree features 6 9.5-inch weight plate posts, 1 7-inch post, and 2 bar holders, providing ample space for a growing collection of Olympic weight plates while keeping them off the floor and neatly organized. Its 4 swivel casters allow for easy mobility, enabling users to roll the equipment out of the way, with locking casters ensuring stability during use. Ideal for both commercial gyms and home setups, the XMark storage tree is specifically designed for Olympic weight plates and pairs well with a full range of XMark strength training equipment, including Olympic bars and racks. Number 2. Fitness Reality X-Class Tree. The Fitness Reality Tree Rack for Weights is a compact and durable storage solution designed to keep your home gym organized and safe. Constructed from alloy steel, this rack features chrome-plated posts that resist chipping and scratching, ensuring longevity. With dimensions of 22-inch dx 26.5 wx 41.5h, it can hold up to 1,000 pounds without tipping, making it stable even under heavy loads. The design includes 6 storage posts for weights and 2 additional posts for 2-inch wide bars, providing versatile storage options. Easy to assemble, this weight holder facilitates a clutter-free workout space, catering to both fitness enthusiasts and beginners in their fitness journeys. Note that the rack does not come with weights or bars included. Number 3. Yaheetech 2-inch Barbell Plate. The Yaheetech weight plate storage rack is a sturdy and space-efficient solution for organizing your workout equipment. Made from powder-coated steel, this vertical rack features a simple assembly process, complete with all necessary hardware and instructions. With dimensions of 27-inch dx 24.5 wx 54.5h and a weight capacity of up to 882 pounds, 400 kilograms, it can handle a significant load of weight plates and barbell bars, thanks to its durable 0.06 foot, 1.6 mm, thick metal construction. The design includes adjustable weight plate holders on both sides, accommodating various sizes and quantities, while vertical bar holders enhance convenience and save space. Additionally, capped frame ends provide non-slip stability during use, reducing shock during restocking and preventing sliding and oxidation, ensuring long-term safety and durability. Number 4. Steelbody Horizontal Plate. The Steelbody Bumper Plate Rack is a robust and versatile storage solution designed to keep your Olympic-sized weight plates and 2 Olympic lifting bars organized. Constructed from durable alloy steel, this rack measures 40.5-inch dx 11.5 wx 10h and has a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, making it ideal for both home and gym environments. Its low-profile design ensures easy access and efficient use during workouts, while built-in wheels facilitate hassle-free transport, eliminating the inconvenience of lifting. Backed by a US-based customer service team and the Marcy manufacturer guarantee, this rack not only provides great value but also offers reliable assistance for any installation or replacement needs you may encounter. Number 5. Marcy Standard Weight Plate. The Marcy Combo Weight Rack is a heavy-duty storage solution designed to enhance your home gym experience. Constructed from durable alloy steel, this ergonomically designed rack measures 18.5-inch dx 54 wx 36h and weighs 39 pounds, offering stability and compactness for various fitness accessories. Its unique 3-tier design features for easy access posts, allowing you to store a comprehensive range of weightlifting tools, including dumbbell and weight sets, in an organized manner. The elegant hammertone finish not only adds a touch of sophistication but also protects the rack from scratches, ensuring long-lasting use. Additionally, the rack is equipped with rubber base caps to safeguard your floors during workouts, making it a practical choice for home use while supporting your fitness routine conveniently and economically.